Qualified Chevrolet lessees can get this all-new 2018 Chevy Equinox LT for
We invested way too much on jackets for you.
doing the outfit helps, but pretty great.
What's going on? We're about to have a session at JFlex's house, aka Bolo Flex, aka Game of Death, aka everything. It's gonna be dope.
Ambassador.
Game of Death. Oh, he wants to show. Yep, all about the portables.
Got the Game of Death
Got
right
his
here.
got his custom deck that we got him
From
for
the
his
homies.
birthday. Yep.
Got the Game of Death right here with the flexi cut sitting on it right now. And right here, that's the ill shit. That's the wax cutter.
That's that new shit.
That's the new shit. That's Joseph, the frickin' in SoCal hooked me up with that. Ill shit.
About to cut it up.
Joseph.
Yep. Oh, you got the effects on?
That's the effects. Oh, right there.
Hey, you want to try? And
Yeah, I do want to try it.
here. You ready?
Yep.
Northwest Portablists. Northwest Portablists. Let's go.
So when he's talking, okay? Yep. Ooh, that's sick. Ooh.
Hi.
I think I need to be.
Dab for me. Yeah.
We're about to get warmed up here. I don't know who else
Warmed
is joining
up.
us.
Warmed up.
We're getting warmed up. We'll do a little Q&A. This is my humble little abode right here. We just had some dinner. About to cut it up. Drink. Got my off. Got your off. So right now we're cutting it up on the P2 on scratch with Jesse Jean internal fader. Got the Game of Death with wax cutter. But do it. And the 1200. I got the 1200s. Say hello. Say hello to everybody.
Hi, guys.
JJ is my son, Jason Jr. Say what's up.
What's up? Homie. I got a car.
Yeah, the lemon is scratching. Okay, you need to hey, here's the Arthur said the lemon is scratching. I know, right? Okay, rare occurrence. Keep on scratching, Justin. So, Justin joins he's cutting on that freaking non-contact shit right there. That's the freaking wax cutter right there. Real shit. So we were talking about this last week. That's a non-contact magnetic fader. Go check it out.
Ew.
That's the That's a tableless looper, Northwest scratch. Tableless looper. Or Northwest, tableless, wait. My bad. Tableless, Northwest, scratch. 4. So, got back on the decks, and I hooked up my effects processor to Serato, but man, some ill shit. Got some synth samples.
Doing some sound design.
Here, right here. It's right here. You guys gotta check it out. We have to share this. So, hold up. Let's see. Oh, that's the. All right. So there's that. There's that. There's that. Oh, okay, Justin, demonstrate, get funky with it. So I already had fun with it, but I want somebody else to get funky with it. So we're about to play a beat, and you gotta check this out. Alright.
Probably want to crank up the game.
Straight up synth samples. Hello, funky.
I like that right there.
So ill. That's ill, right? Yo, I hope the audio's coming out okay, but because we're just playing through the speaker. I was gonna do a direct line in, but I don't want to just like bullshit at the same time. So.
Ew. Sounds like he's laughing.
Okay, my turn. My turn. My turn. My turn. Contagious! That's just so ill!
Like in their studio?
You can really tell it's his own. He feels hella comfortable. He's like...
Every time I go to somebody else's house and I can't cut, I'm not comfortable, but I'm like on my own stuff, so I'm feeling good. Yeah,
he's like, yeah, this is my own.
He's like, brings such joy to me, like, whoa.
I know, it's like, and this is a new spot, so we're like, unfamiliar ground.
Hi, camera.
Hey! Alright, so do we got anybody watching here? Somebody please create a session nap so we could post the beat and everybody could cut live. That'd be so dope.
That'd be filthy. That'd be like really filthy.
Elizer's on. What's up, Elizer? How many people we got watching? That was ill! That was ill! Man, I shouldn't even got that on wax though! That was ill!
That swing was sick, you guys are fucking.
That's the first time I really used the Game of Death.
What are you all with the wax cutter?
The wax cutter's ill.
See? That wax cutter's ill.
Yeah,
That's
that
like
wax cutter was picking up
That wax cutter is so ill.
That wax that was picking up every one of your little like.
Here, I got a little speaker right here. You got all your stuff?
Yeah, I got my
So
battery.
we're gonna do the bullshit out. We're gonna go out of my patio. I don't even know if we have any viewers right now.
Just do it for later.
So if nobody's on right now, watch you later. But this is my humble little studio. Got the turntables. Of course, got the Mac. Got my 1200s.
Not that humble.
We live on the Northwest Portablists page. I was showing some beats.
So these guys,
Secret.
pretty sure these guys want to bait. You got your speaker, Justin, or do you want me to bring a speaker?
But yeah,
I have a speaker.
Okay.
I think I brought a speaker, but it's not charged.
I got
I have a speaker in the car, but it's
We
big.
got everything.
That's what she said.
So what am I drinking tonight? I'm drinking.
I'm drinking wine, but I don't know if I should drink anymore because I got a.
Point Brewery. Tiny horse. Tiny horse.
I want to try the.
That's what she
boombox.
said. Tiny horse.
I want to try the boombox beer.
Was there any boombox in that box?
No, I have to ask Nina if there was.
I think they gypped us.
Did they?
Yeah, I think they didn't put any in. Yo, I want one of those wax cutters, dude.
I'll bring
No.
wine, Warren.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Stina, did you get any boombox beer or no?
What's that?
Did you get boombox beer?
They gypped us
They
out
did
the
no.
pack.
Yeah,
It was supposed
if
to
you
be
look at the side of the box, it says deep cuts. But then what is happening right now?
They're vlogging.
Oh my lord.
So we have Stina.
Now I have to sign a release before I
Yeah, she don't want to be on film. That's why I didn't even
You
film her.
met these two last week. Yeah, that's my wife.
We're going to the zoo.
Because it started with the
Bye.
So now you guys are gonna go give us.
So let me set up over here.
Alright, so we're going to be live sessioning outside. But I'm vlogging, so
Yeah, set up here. Can you see Justin?
What's up?
Do you want me to bring out my tripod for that?
Good. DJ Joints, DJ Dilemma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
I really like your
This is
fader.
a segment that we are gonna call Drinks with the Northwest Portablists. So we'll hang out, have a few drinks, talk shop, maybe talk about new products.
You want to take shots with us? Go ahead.
Take shots with us.
Or drink with us? Go
But
ahead.
DJ Joints is setting up his portable right now.
We don't want it too loud, so you might as well just use internal speaker.
We're good.
Eternal's cool.
Yeah,
good.
internal's fine.
We're okay out here. But we're here in the Pacific Northwest right now, the beginning of fall.
Seattle, baby.
Hey, Sea-Town. What's up, Seahawks? Yes. And it's a little cold out here, but you know, we're gonna scratch outside. We're in the studio earlier, having some fun with some effects.
Warm inside the house.
Yeah, it's
Because
too
we were
hot.
just moving.
Yeah, it's a lot of heat in there, but right now we got.
And now that this is cleaned, this was working well.
It's working well, and we weren't getting any feedback, so I don't know. We'll see now that I have this battery that we're talking about.
Yeah.
Dilemma.
Yo,
Tell our viewers, say what's up to our viewers right now.
what's going on? We are the Northwest Portablists.
Yeah.
We're the original Portablist group on Facebook. We're coming upon our 2-year,
Yeah.
so yep,
Yep,
it's all
having
good.
our sessions, outdoor sessions.
That light is freaking bright.
I know, but you know what? You're a movie star. Could you imagine what the movie stars feel like?
Man,
Bright ass lights.
it is a bright light, but that's okay. It's good for my complexion.
I know.
Or you'd stack all the records on the top, and then when the next one
Would fall down. Yeah.
But I couldn't do anything with them, so I took a hacksaw, took off that post,
Oh, then game over.
both of them, and then yeah.
Was it in the all-in-one like component thing? Because I had one of those.
It was like just the turntables, and then a lot of funk. And I got into house in the mid '90s, and I was spinning like 17 years old, and I had some friends like getting me into the club and like putting me up in lofts so the bouncers couldn't see how old I was.
Oh yeah, there you go. Now it's Jason's turn. What did you spit?
Hey, you know what I like? I like slow jams.
Yeah, he loves slow jams.
Give me some Key Sweat. I like to get sexy. Just saying.
He wants to play the deal.
He's the closer.
Yo,
At the last songs of the like the last 3 songs.
Straight
He's
up
like,
play slow jams like crazy.
we out.
We out. Peace. Hey, I don't know what we're gonna do next week. We do something next week, guys? Yeah.
Sure.
Tune in next week. We might do something different. Some fun.
Yeah.
You know.
And I think I'm gonna end my vlog here too. So you guys have a good night.
Hit up DJ Dilemma's vlog. Where can I find you?
DJ D''LEMMA.
Yes.
Just look at DJ Dilemma. I got vlogs everywhere. Yeah. Anyways, we out of here.
We out here.
Your life is based on your experiences, so get out there and do something. Peace.